Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Alex, and welcome to day 21.
Happy Monday, everyone. I hope you all had a relaxing weekend.
Me too. Did you do anything nice over the weekend, Emma?
Yeah, I did. On Saturday, I met my friend Sarah for lunch. After that, we walked around a little bookshop for nearly an hour. We didn't buy many books, but we had a great time chatting.
Nice. That sounds like a perfect Saturday for you. Quiet, relaxing, and surrounded by books.
Exactly. What about you?
I drove to my parents' house on Sunday. My mom cooked a big family lunch, and after we ate, we all sat in the garden talking for hours.
That sounds lovely. Did Max enjoy the trip too?
Oh, yes. Max spent the whole afternoon running around the garden. He was probably happier than everyone else.
Dogs always seem to have the best day.
They really do.
Well, welcome back, everyone. Today is day 21, which means we're starting week 5 of our challenge.
I can't believe we've already made it this far. If you've been following along every day, you've already completed 3 whole weeks and all of week 4. That's something to be proud of.
Absolutely. Every day you spend listening, speaking, and practicing brings you one step closer to speaking English with confidence.
So, what's our theme for this week?
This week, we're going to talk about places and shopping.
That's a really useful topic because these are conversations you'll have all the time when you're traveling, meeting new people, or simply talking with friends.
And today, we're starting with a question that people often ask when they first meet you.
Where are you from? Or where did you grow up?
That's right. Today, we're talking about our hometowns.
Everyone has a hometown, and it's always interesting to hear where someone grew up.
Exactly. Your hometown is the city or town where you lived when you were a child. It is where you grew up.
Grow up means to change from a child into an adult. So, Emma, where did you grow up? What is your hometown like?
My hometown is a small town in the United States. It is in the mountains.
Oh, the mountains. That already sounds peaceful.
It really was. There were lots of trees, fresh air, and a beautiful lake not far from our house.
That sounds like something from a postcard.
It did feel like that sometimes. When I was a little girl, I loved sitting by the lake with my sketchbook. I'd spend hours drawing the trees or the mountains.
I can imagine that. Even back then, you loved art.
I think so. I've always enjoyed drawing and being creative.
Was your hometown busy?
Not at all. It was very quiet. Everyone seemed to know everyone else, so it always felt friendly and safe.
I like small towns for that reason. People often stop and say hello to each other.
Exactly. What about your hometown?
Completely different. My hometown is a big city, so there were always people everywhere.
Was it noisy?
Oh, yes, very. Lots of traffic, buses, trains, shops. It was always busy. But I loved growing up there because there was always something to do.
What did you usually do after school?
During the winter, my friends and I played ice hockey whenever we could. Canada gets a lot of snow, so we spend hours outside.
That sounds like so much fun.
It was. And after playing outside in the cold, we'd go home and drink hot chocolate. That was probably my favorite part.
I think I would enjoy the hot chocolate too.
You would.
I like snow, but only if I can admire it from inside a warm cafe.
Cozy. That's definitely more your style.
So, listeners, when you meet someone for the first time, it's very common to ask, "Where did you grow up?"
Or you can ask, where's your hometown?
Both questions are natural, and they're a great way to start a conversation.
To answer, you can say, my hometown is, or I grew up in.
For example, I grew up in Tokyo. Or, my hometown is a small village in Brazil.
After you name the place, people will ask, what is it like?
This is your chance to describe it. You can use adjectives. Adjectives are describing words.
You can say, it's big and busy, or it's small and quiet.
You can also talk about nature. There are lots of mountains. There are beautiful beaches. There are many parks.
And don't forget the weather. It's very hot in the summer. It's cold in the winter. It rains a lot.
These are simple sentences, but they're very useful because people love hearing about where you come from.
Okay, Emma, let's practice a short conversation. Imagine we are new colleagues at work, having coffee.
Okay. Hey, Alex. Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a big city in Canada. What about you, Emma?
I grew up in a small town in the United States.
Oh, nice. What is your hometown like?
It's very quiet and beautiful. There are many trees and a big lake. What is your hometown like?
It's very busy, and it gets very cold in the winter.
That's a great conversation. It's a perfect way to learn more about a person's life.
Yes, we love our hometowns because they hold all our childhood memories. Try using these words today. Now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. Let's explain two great phrases from today's chat.
The first word is hometown. Hometon. Hometown.
Your hometown is the city, town, or village where you were born or where you lived as a child.
Yes, even if you live in a new city now, your hometown never changes.
The second phrase is grow up. Growup. Grow up.
To grow up means to become older, to change from a baby to a child to an adult.
In the past tense, we say grew up. I grew up in Canada. She grew up in Spain.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice talking about our hometowns.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our speed and our voice.
Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Where did you grow up?
Sentence number 2. I grew up in a big city.
Sentence number 3. My hometown is a small village.
Sentence number 4. What is your hometown like?
Sentence number 5. It is very quiet and beautiful.
Sentence number 6. The weather is very cold in the winter.
Excellent job! Your pronunciation sounds so natural today.
Yes, you are starting week 5 with a lot of energy. Keep it up.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 21.
We want to know about the place where you were a child.
The question is, where is your hometown? And what is it like?
Go to the comment section and practice writing your answer in English.
You can write, I grew up in... My hometown is very big and busy.
Or, my hometown is... It is very hot and beautiful. Describe it for us.
And do not forget our special rule. Please type Day 21 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes. Start week 5 strong and keep your amazing streak going.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 21 of the 30-day English Confidence Challenge.
Yes, thanks a lot. If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. It helps our podcast reach more English learners around the world.
We will be back tomorrow for day 22. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Stay confident.
Keep practicing. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma.
Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.